shit is fresh out the oven. Fresh out the oven. I'm back in this bitch. Nigga, you know what's up. Stacking my dividends.
Alright, as y'all see today, we cooking up some more food. Some alkaline ramen. You're gonna go over to your local ramen section, aka your pantry. Let's see what kind of ramen you want. Well, we're gonna take the shrimp ramen. Grab the shrimp ramen. Turn the lights off. Come right here. Gonna grab some dehydrated shrimp to enhance the ramen. Gotta go in the fridge. Gotta make it alkaline. She's gonna grab some little greeny greens. Let me see. Now you gonna, open up your little ramen. Alright. Now that you got your ramen open. Take your little packets out. Come over. No. What you gotta do is open your packets. Add them all except this little chili packet. Grab your dehydrated shrimp. Open it. Add a little bit, but not too much. Like that right there, that's good right there. Now you're gonna come over to the sink right here. And before you go to the sink, grab your little greeny greens, not too much, just one little thing. Something light, you feel me? Something light, just enough to add some flavor. Enough to add some flavor, you feel me? Add that. Now you come over here to the little sinky sink. You see they got a little line in there for you. Fill it up to that line. Now, you come back over here. Open up the microwave. You gotta read the instructions on the side and see what it says. How long it says put it in there. It say put it in there for 3 minutes. So look, you can come over here, put it in there for 3 good minutes. And we're gonna see how I look after 3 minutes. Alright, look. Now after 3 minutes it's gonna be all good. So look, you're gonna open it up. Take it out. It looks great, but it's still not complete. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this sauce pack that you left off to the side earlier. Open it up. I'm just gonna add that. Add all that. Alright. Now once you added that, throw that away. And you can come over here to your little forks and such, and all you gotta do is mix it. Now I don't know if the camera can catch this. There's some steam coming off of it. Yeah, and it's super hot. So, it's super hot and there's steam coming off of it. I recommend doing, at this point, you could eat it super hot. Now what I recommend doing is what I'm about to do. You're gonna take it. You're gonna take it right here. You're gonna open the freezer. Move all this other stuff out the way. Take your noodles, put them in the freezer, leave them in there for about 3 to 4 minutes. Makes me ready to enjoy it. Alright, now after a few minutes, stuff should be done. Come in here, take it out. Don't leave it in there too long for you. Stuff gonna freeze or get cold. Come right here. Just make sure you gotta taste it. You gotta taste it to make sure it's good. Tastes good. Look good.